look bad.
How do you get anyone?
We're going to be playing Five Nights at Monkey's.
It's cracked.
Looks like a pretty fun game. It's just FNAF.
Yes, anyone can hear you, bro.
Except
You're actually on the list, bro. The way you
What's
said,
for
bro.
what?
The way you said.
FNAF.
Because
Except
you said you your freaking mouth.
there's
Does anyone hear me? We gotta get
Yo.
in. It's cracked.
You-
Do you
you're-
hear me?
You
there's
too.
definitely
You
there's
two want to be on
it's
the
not
list?
animatronics. There's scary
Want to
monkeys.
be in Alice's list? Where you can ban
And
you?
also, guys, I got a really important message.
Now what? My sound's up. What do I have to
I don't care
do?
if you put it in here. I don't care if you pull out the middle finger. Just two crooked ass
Guys,
fingers.
please give me the finger painter in this game,
What do I have to do?
which means
See,
that
people think that moderators
How do you
are
get the
here.
finger painter?
They moderators are
Dude,
not
I
here.
love Gorilla
Doesn't mean
Tag.
you can do
and please get me that.
Whoa,
I can read it.
Guys, get this video to 1,000
I'm
views
not blind.
and 100 likes.
I can read it.
Oh no.
So make sure you do that, okay, guys?
Oh no.
No one is for putting N-words. Wait, that's not nice.
in there?
Alright, that's a count of the N-word. But
We're gonna be testing out parkour first, and then we're gonna be trying out
Come with you.
the night.
Thank you for
It's so hard.
You're not a mod, bro.
Thank you for sunshine. No one literally can't see me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. But what do I do?
I'm not a mod, bro.
Do I
Beat
complete
it.
parkour stuff?
Medium.
Not what?
parkour.
I believe him though.
I like parkour.
Medium is also really easy.
Not broken.
I believe that you're about to be a mod.
Oh no, but it really
Hard.
depends on us.
It's like
Does anyone hear me?
Wait,
Do you hear me? Wait.
Logan, try to end
this is cosmetic. I already have it.
I don't hear anyone.
Because I played this game before.
Here.
Oh,
No one over here.
Oh, he's
You're
trying
the
to
one on the
play
right.
he's
And I just did it
trying
first.
Ah!
the country, they're pretending that he,
And then we click right
pretending
here
that
somewhere.
Leave it to
that
easy
N-word.
and
That's
medium
interference. What's the interference with the N-word?
There you go.
That's interference with the
I'm
N-word.
gonna mute everyone.
Ah.
Wait, look.
You can win.
Except for you don't have. Not there.
Bro,
That's a master
this is the
secret.
perfect lobby
I
for
already
a
have it. We're just replaying.
This is the perfect lobby for a toxic species.
Yeah, we already did it.
Report everybody
Thank you for that.
for breaking the rules, bro.
He's not there.
That I haven't really.
Your speed daddy. Come over here. Come through here.
This guy's also
Go
doing
through
it.
push the button.
What?
Let me show you something.
Yo, what? How did this guy do it first?
Look right here. Come over here. Come over here.
I already beat it first try, dude. I beat it first try.
Hide me. Hide me. Hide me from a really. Well, come hide me. Two.
Hold on,
I
yeah.
like one dead person and another dead person.
Okay. Okay, guys.
The moderator's in here.
Are we ready to do the night?
I'm not a moderator. Yeah,
Are we ready?
Bro, the moderator's in here. A moderator's in here.
Captain. Get out. Okay, we are ready. We just gotta make sure. So I actually read a tutorial online that you have to keep your door closed.
Hello? Is this on? Okay. Hey there, welcome to your first day on the job. This is pre-recorded message that will explain a few things about this job. Let's get into it. The job is simple. All you need to do is watch the cameras, and if anything tries to get you, just close the door by pressing the red button. To open the door, press the green button. Make sure not to have the door closed for too long. You have a limited amount of power, aka battery. I don't know really what to call it. You can call it
I don't
whatever.
know. So if you see a guy,
Also, there are some
Also, there's a
things
cool
that are
fact.
totally
over
I'm not
here.
really sure what they are, but if you see anything you can get, just remember to quickly hide in the table. Anyways, good luck.
only doing night 1.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Okay, he's right there. Gotta make sure that guy doesn't move. Okay, just don't hit him. As long as we hide under the Oh my gosh.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Okay, we're good. Also, it tells you what to do. Is it climbing up to my treehouse? Literally climbing up my house. Our, like, room. So oh my my door literally just closed.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Why am I scared? I already know everything to do. I'm gonna wait until it's scared. Okay, it's 3 a.m.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, we're surviving the night, which is good. let's see. 3%. Okay, we're good. We're good. Our door just closed for some random reason.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot.
Oh, he's right there.
Please find him before it's too late.
Okay. We're okay. So I think every hour he spawns. So he spawns 6, 9, and 10. This is actually really scary.
Hey there, this is pre-recorded message. We've detected that Frederick the Little Snowman is not in his original spot. Please find him before it's too late.
Where are you, Mr. Snowman? Oh, he teleported. Oh, he's right there. You do it until it's 6 a.m. We beat it! We beat